Hey everyone, I'm here with another layout, and the background is the Basil cardstock from the cardstock add-on kit. This is page number 3 of the April kit. This is a picture. I planted wildflowers in my courtyard and by my front door, and where my fountain is, that I absolutely love. And so I have a before picture and an after picture. With more pictures of my beautiful wildflowers to come. I'm going to be taking before pictures and after pictures of the flower bed in my backyard, which I'm going to take pictures of. And then I finally got my pond in the ground, which then my fish of like 12 years died, and I was devastated. I mean, I was waiting for it because I knew that he was pretty old, but I wasn't expecting it so soon. I mean, not soon, but you know. So my pond is empty at the moment. I'm going to get some more fish. Just my pond is in full sun, so it was turning green on me, so I wanted to get it clear first, and I put blue shade in it to help keep the sun from turning my water green. And then there's Reese. This is at the point where she began to take over my scrapbook room. At least she's laying where I can still scrapbook at the moment. And so all of those layers are leftover pieces from the layout before, so they're all Maggie Holmes' Garden Party. And I used the Basil cardstock, the pink, to make my circles that are going to be placed around. And then at least we see, at least her movement, she was even more out of my way. And then she was being playful with the paper, and she's never playful. And she sheds. Oh my god, that cat sheds. She is just full of fur. So I'm going to use that heart washi tape from my stash. That's what I was reaching for. I'm going to use Bloom, which is from the Maggie Holmes Garden Party cut part sheet. Oh, and I knew it was going to be soon. Alright, so let me see here. So I use, though that boot and the phrase die cut is Simple Stories Bunnies Plus Blooms. No, sorry, I was wrong. No, sorry, I knew that was right. Is Cartabella Flower Garden Frames Plus Tags. Or frames and tags. And then the seed packet and the hat And the gloves are is the Simple Stories Bunnies Plus Balloons. Those are stickers, so those are they're chipboard stickers. Let me get those die cut. It's easier if I do my voiceovers with the layouts in front of me so I can tell you. Let's see. No, those are die cuts. The C packet is the chipboard. Otherwise, the trowel and the rake and the gloves and the hat are not stickers, I don't think. Those feel more like the die cuts. But Today is Beautiful is a chipboard sticker as well. And then the Beautiful sticker is Maggie Holmes, Garden Party. And then the butterflies, those are from a past kit. Those are Maggie Holmes' Sweet Story. Stickers. So the yellow floral sticker is Maggie Holmes' Garden Party. Spring is, I don't have that. Or did I? Yeah, Spring Banner is Simple Stories Bunnies Plus Blooms. Holds A is Hip Club's Puppy Alphabet Stickers, Pretty Sweet from March. And then Beautiful is the sticker from Maggie Holmes. And then that completes the layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Oh no, they come apart. Thanks for watching.